Yo guys, post Kevin here back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you, if you look right here, it's called code. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make your Discord bot. Like, I might start Discord bot, so here's how to make one. You look, this is my Discord bot, link will be in the description if you wanna, find me a server. It says listening to you typing my prefix command. So if we go down to my channel as bot commands, and if we do bot, it'll respond with a bot link, but then if we do help, it'll give all the, it'll tell what's wrong. So if we do commands, which it says what to do, it gives a list of all the commands, and these are embeds, you see. So if I'm not going to try to make rich embeds today, but these are my embed codes right here, and we have, I'm pretty sure, how many of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll have 6 embeds codes all together, and all this stuff. This is just a command handler and stuff, so I'm not gonna get in that today. But this is really a good command. Basically, if we go into my Discord, and then we do avatar, and then we're at the person at, like, if we do this dude, the bot itself, we'll enter that. I would like to enter, please. And it gives an avatar, which is right here. So I'm not going to try to set the avatar one up today, but I'm just going to show you, as you see the title, how to set your bot's description. So if we get this call off my screen, so let's go at my code at the top. So what I want to do, you just want to type this out basically, client.user.setActivity to your type. And if you do not know how to get these are not the regular things. So hold on, these are the things. It's above tab. If you have a 100% keyboard, you gotta press shift. Actually, no, you just press them, and it comes up like that. So that's how you get them. And then what we do is client.user.setActivity. You are typing # this prefix, because then it's gonna, the prefix is gonna go to your prefix, which you have set up here, which is my prefix. It's just a line. And then help, I could change it, like let's do watching. And then I'm gonna Control S to save. I have a really weird thing set up. So basically, I go in here and I type any random thing. So I'm gonna type P1SO, and then this is how I host my Discord bot. So and then I'm just gonna push it through, and then when I push it, it's gonna come up to here. Can't really show you this, I ain't gonna show you. And then then on here I have to click more view logs. I can't show you this because it's got my email and stuff. So can't show you this. But then if we put this on this monitor on, and then just watch my bot's description, just turn from listening to watching in a couple of minutes, because mine's gotta go through a lot of processing to get it back, like to restart it. Nearly done. So for some reason that didn't work. Let's go back my code real quick. No, I'll just put about listening, because in fact I might have to do all caps. Oh no, did I just mess my code up or not? No, I didn't. So Control S again. This. Type anything there. Commit to master. Push it, and it's gonna push through the website. It's GitHub and Hurricane or whatever it's called. So now this went through, so I want to minimize this. Then if we open Discord again, it might change. I have no clue. just watch that. Right, I'm saying the code to get the bot started will be in the description. As I say, it's just turned to watching you typing. Yeah, that's good. Right, so at least we know that's working now. So this code right here will be in the description, and obviously you should already have a client.on.ready if you're trying to make a Discord bot. And then this is all, and then I will be shown. I'm not going to try to get to turn the bot on because my turning bots on are way difficult. So now if we go into the Discord, and I've got 2 servers, join them if you want to join them. So hold on, what was this command? Servers, oh that's all. Apparently I made a command called servers, so I'm gonna update my code, because where did I add the servers? Nope, not there. Right there. Right, so now I need to go to my command embeds, which is right here, and now on here I do line servers space control S, because when they do help it'll say do the command line command. Let's just fix that real quick, and then do the command line commands, and then they'll get this command, and then they'll give a list of commands. So then if they want to see how many people are in the servers, you'll do this, and then that will respond with this one right here and this, so it'll respond to this one. Message guild member count is just basically all the people that's in. So if we go to my Discord, this is the one with 80 members in. As you see, we only have server stats, and if we do this one, that's not even how you spell servers, as my keyboard doesn't really work out properly. In 141, as you see, 141 members altogether, 7 in pulse. So now we are going to update the code. Hold on, before we update it, let's just show you that I'm not BSing. And if we do help, as you see, it is commands, a list of commands. If you do the see how it is commands, and I updated it to put an S on the end. And then if we do commands, it hasn't added the servers right here, so that's why we're going to update it now. So I'm going to save it, control S, yes, then I'm going to go through here, anything, commit to master. This is just how I host my bots, basically free hosting on GitHub and Hurricane. Then it's going to push through, then it's going to go to the website, and that basically just tells me when it's on and everything. And if you're wondering what console.log means up here, basically it just logs that the bot is on to the console. So I'm going to view the logs, which you can't see because it has my email and password on, which I don't want you getting because you'll probably mess my bot up. So I'm just going to wait, and now it's pulses online, which I ain't going to show you. Actually, I might be able to find it. No, I can't. So I was going to close that website. Now if we go back to the Discord, and now we do commands, it's now got servers in here, right there. Now if we do help, it's now got commands. No, what? Do the commands. Yes, so now if we do commands, oh my god, my spelling is bad. You will get a list of commands, my profile pic here. And then if we do help again, so yeah, this is basically my bot. You can add it to your server with joining my server and doing bot, or I'll just put the link in the description below. I did make a thing where it showed how many servers the bot was in, but it broke my bot, and every like 10 minutes the bot just kept going offline, so I didn't really want that to happen. Which I was gonna add like a thing where you do that and it would respond with how many servers it's in, but I'm trying to make that right now. It would probably be like the command for it would probably be servers.1, like that or something. But yeah, I'll be adding more commands to the bot in the next couple of weeks, because when this bot gets to 100 servers, I'm gonna get the bot verified. So, and then this is the hard code. I mean, you can copy the code down, but it's gonna take you a long time. This took me. I'm still working on the code right now, because I've got all this. Still haven't finished yet, because I was gonna turn these into embeds, which is gonna take even longer, because that means that's gonna have to be extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 embeds more, and that'll be 11 embeds. This means this code is gonna go very long, which I don't really want it to go long. It's only got 154 lines in, so the code will be in the description. Just gonna make sure I copy and paste it, because you know what I'm like, I'll never copy and paste stuff. So it's gonna be in the description, and my bot invite link will be in the description below too. So hope you liked the video. Hope to help you out. If I helped you out, drop a like, drop a sub, and I will be doing more about my Discord bot soon.